Okay, I want to talk about this Noco Boost Plus. I've been having an issue starting my tractor in the cold weather, and this thing I've seen in many ads, but I haven't really been convinced whether it works or not. So anyway, here is a test. Let's give this a start. You can see it's pretty dead. So let's put this on. You can see that it's charged, and I'll just start by connecting this to the battery. And immediately it starts to make a noise. Da-ding, da-ding. And let's give it a shot. So in my mind, it works pretty good. So that's what it's doing when it's connected, and it certainly makes a big difference. This one you can charge up to 5 times within you can start up to 5 times within 15 minutes, and it's been pretty good. You just plug in the USB port into just like a phone, the USB in to charge it, and then it'll also charge your phone, and it has a little light on it. But this is my main usage. Anyway, thanks for listening.